Starting off at number 5, we have the ViewSign Adjustable Weight Bench. This is the most budget-friendly option on our list, coming in at just $44.99, but it still packs a lot of features for the price. It offers incline, decline, and flat configurations with an adjustable backrest that can be set between 69 degrees and -36. What's unique here is that it includes resistance bands, which add versatility to your workouts without requiring additional equipment. The design is compact and foldable, great for those with limited space. It folds down to just 16.7 inches in length, making it easy to store under a bed or in a closet. However, the build quality is where the budget price shows. While the bench is rated for 600 pounds, it feels less sturdy than some of the higher-end models, especially during intense workouts. The faux padding is comfortable but thinner compared to other benches, and the leather cover, while functional, isn't as premium. This bench is ideal for beginners or those who need an affordable and compact solution for light to moderate training. However, advanced lifters or anyone needing a higher weight capacity might want to look elsewhere. Overall, the ViewSign bench is a great entry-level option, but it does come with limitations. Pros include its price, portability, and included resistance bands. Cons are its lighter build and less premium materials. At number 3, we have the Flybird Weight Bench. Flybird is a well-known brand in the fitness industry, and this bench lives up to its reputation. Designed with advice from professional trainers, it boasts an impressive 800-pound weight capacity, making it one of the most robust options on our list. It features 8 backrest positions and 3 seat positions, allowing for a wide range of exercises, from incline presses to decline sit-ups. The build quality is exceptional, with commercial-grade steel and thick, high-density padding that balances comfort and durability. One of the standout features is its quick folding design. This bench folds down to occupy just 8.6 inches by 13 inches of space, making it ideal for small home gyms. The leather covering is wear-resistant and provides good grip, ensuring stability during workouts. This bench is perfect for serious fitness enthusiasts who need a durable and versatile option for their home gym. While it's slightly heavier, at 28.5 pounds, the extra weight adds to its stability. Pros include its high weight capacity, premium materials, and compact folding design. Cons are its higher price point and slightly bulkier frame when compared to lighter models. Coming in at number 2 is the Yagid Weight Bench, which is our premium option at $67.77. This bench is built for heavy-duty use with an incredible 880-pound weight capacity. It features a unique triangular stability design and is constructed with commercial-grade steel, ensuring maximum safety and durability. With 7 backrest adjustments, it's versatile enough for a full-body workout, including chest presses, shoulder presses, and ab exercises. The padding on the Yagid bench is thick and comfortable, covered in high-quality waterproof PU leather that's easy to clean. One of its standout features is the 2-second folding mechanism, which is the fastest among all the benches we reviewed. This makes it incredibly convenient for users who need to quickly set up or store their equipment. This bench is ideal for advanced users and those who require a stable and robust bench for intense workouts. While it's the most expensive option on our list, the price is justified by its premium build and exceptional weight capacity. Pros include its heavy-duty construction, fast folding design, and excellent weight capacity. Cons are its higher price point and slightly bulkier design. Finally, at number 1, we have the Yoleo Adjustable Weight Bench, which strikes the perfect balance between affordability, durability, and functionality. This bench features 84 adjustable options, including 7 back positions, 4 seat positions, and 3 leg positions, making it one of the most versatile benches on the market. Whether you're doing incline presses, flat bench presses, or decline sit-ups, this bench has you covered. The double triangle structure and heavy-duty steel frame provide excellent stability, supporting up to 660 pounds. The bench is also lightweight at just 23.1 pounds, and its compact, foldable design makes it easy to store in small spaces. The high-density foam padding and sweat-proof PU leather cover ensure a comfortable workout experience. The Yolio bench is perfect for home gym enthusiasts who want a high-quality, versatile bench without breaking the bank. It's well-suited for both beginners and intermediate users. Pros include its wide range of adjustments, sturdy build, and compact design. Cons are its slightly lower weight capacity compared to premium options and limited availability. Overall, this is our top pick for its combination of quality, functionality, and price. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.